Today I'm going to show you how to add a new record to your existing Library World catalog. From your home page, your main page, you're going to go to the catalog page and you're going to click the link for new record. Now there's two ways of doing it. You'll see one, enter the record manually, or two, search the Z39.5 collection. The easiest way to do this is to select option number 2, which will be doing a copy catalog. These are the libraries that we have access to their catalogs. It's the easiest to select OhioLink Central Catalog. Chances are the book that you're trying to catalog has already been cataloged by one of the law schools who are members of OhioLink. So the first thing you want to do is click that OhioLink radio button. And then you're going to go back up here and we're going to search. You can search by any of these, but the easiest thing is to search with the title. So I'm going to click in here. And the book I'm going to catalog today is called Law Librarianship in the Digital Age. So I just type that in. And again, make sure OhioLink is clicked. Hit search. And there is one result. So I'm going to go ahead and select that. Sometimes you will have multiple results. You want to make sure that the result that you have is the one that you're trying to catalog. Sometimes it'll be an electronic version. Sometimes it'll be a different edition. Since we only have one in this one, and in the search, it's pretty simple to select one. But you may run into a case where you have to select a couple to make sure you get the right book. I'm going to click on it, and it has now been added to my collection. What I need to do at this point is go to the pencil icon so that I can edit the record. And now you'll see a very similar record from what you normally see in your library catalog. At this point, you can edit this record. Any of these items, again, any of these fields over here that are blue hyperlinked can be edited. I like to clean up the record, so I usually go through and delete the field if it's not something that is really relevant to my catalog. And again, you can go through the Library of Congress number. If you want something different, you can go in, make the change. I personally like to put spaces between all of my different fields. And then I save that. I don't need the second Library of Congress number. There's the Dewey Decimal number if you want that one. I don't do Dewey, so I'm going to delete that. And again, you can just look through. If your subject terms are correct, you can leave them. If not, you can change them. Once you're happy with this record, you can go ahead and save the record. Now, there's one last step here, because you'll notice there's no actual copy. So what I need to do is add a copy to this record. It will automatically populate a barcode number for you, because just like with your patron barcodes, this is the only field that's required. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that number, and at this point you can scan or hand type your new barcode number. And again, this is totally to your preference, so we always do the first copy. The location is going to be reference. I needed to put the call number in there again, so I'll have to go back and do that. The price, we default everything at $50. I don't have any other items that I need to do here, so I'm going to save this. And you'll notice now there is a copy. Now, because I didn't put the call number in there, what I'm going to do is go up here and copy the Library of Congress number, go back into the copy, edit, paste that in there, and save it again. And now I have a call number. And this is now a complete record. And if I return to my list, it now shows up with a call number and a holdings record. And I can even search for this now. And here it is in my record. Now, the other way that you can do this, if you don't find it in a copy catalog from another library, and you go back to add a record, if you choose option number 1 to enter it manually, you would first select the type of material that you're trying to add, a book. Again, you can fill out as many fields as you want. I'm going to go ahead and do this manually. Oh, it's already on there, but I'm going to go ahead and type this. And using the title page, I can fill these in. I would submit this. And now you see you're at the same stage as you were with the copy cataloging. You have a record. You can add fields manually. You just have to decide which of the mark numbers. And from here you can also add a copy, just like you did if you did it through copy cataloging. And that is how you add a new record to your catalog.